Look closely. What do you see? We see energy. Energy that makes the world turn. It's the energy that powers a city, fuels a business, a school. The energy that keeps us warm, that keeps our families and our children safe, healthy and together, day in, day out. It's the energy that we need to help save lives. All that energy comes from a world rich in natural power, from the sea, wind and sun. It's the energy that drives us forward as a planet, the energy that will drive down costs. So at ScottishPower, we've made a stand. We are no longer producing electricity in ways that can harm our planet. Our future will be a clean one, a sustainable one, and critically, an electric one. Because the cost of the UK's carbon economy is too high for our bills, for our environment, and for our health. And by investing in renewables, we're lowering the cost of them, which, over time, will help keep bills lower too. This is a critical moment for energy. And at ScottishPower, we're driving the changes required to help the UK get rid of carbon sooner. We're proud to say we're the first integrated energy company in the UK to be producing 100% green electricity from offshore and onshore wind. Right now, all the electricity we produce is from renewable sources. Every last drop of it. We're harnessing technology to improve lives, from easier ways to run smart vehicles to smarter homes and mobile apps that let you manage energy remotely. And we're investing billions in innovation, smart grid solutions, and the future-proofing of our network of overhead lines and underground cables. All of this will help us meet the increasing demand for renewable electricity, safely, securely, and sustainably, right across the country. Together we can leave the carbon economy behind to unleash an innovative wave of green investment. A future that offers smarter solutions, powered by 100% renewable electricity. A future that delivers better service, more customer control, and lower costs. A future that will support the UK in becoming the world's leading clean economy. So look again. We see a better future, and quicker. What do you see? ScottishPower.